going forward here, I will highlight because this is big point. I will highlight here so that we understand. Okay. So now we are talking about to verify the construction has been satisfactorily completed for the facility for commissioning startup. Let us go one by one. Review the project commissioning plan, confirm the HSE concerns during the commissioning, and this one. We mentioned that yes, detailed commissioning procedures are in place and has been reviewed and updated. Nishad, you have commissioning procedure, right? I want the number. Nishad.
Yes, sir. I will take it from the commissioning team and I will share with you, sir.
Yeah. So please send it to me later. Yeah. Review the proper disposal of effluent or waste. So we have the waste management plan, and this is being generated and being sent all waste. Waste. That's okay, we are happy because this is a repeated question. Establish that handover system in place. So guys, for handing over, so do you have any GOCMS guideline for construction and commissioning? Any handover procedure is there?
Yeah, we have handover procedure.
So I need a handover procedure document.
That is ad hoc handover procedure.
They don't have handover from their for project specific handover procedure.
We have that also because ad hoc
Yeah,
we have
I
also
think-
that also.
Shall I
But
put
if you have project business
unit document number or what?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, if you have the procedure number.
Okay, I will put in the chat box.
Okay. Good.